You can't set it and forget it anymore, and here's why. If your ads or automations haven't been touched since last year, they're already outdated. The days of set it and forget it marketing are completely done. And if you're running your business on autopilot, you're falling behind fast. Constant optimization isn't optional anymore. And small tweaks can make a massive difference in your results. There was a time when you could launch a Facebook ad, a Google campaign, or an email sequence and let it run for months. And now you can do that same sort of thing with what they're calling AI. Oh my gosh, be careful with that. The AI is not fully baked, especially in Meta. I mean, it'll make you look stupid real quick. So the set and forget used to work, but algorithms change daily now. Platforms shift priorities. You're noticing that. Your audience's behavior evolves faster than ever too. So if you're still running campaigns that were, the framework was built in 23 or 24, you're wasting money in 25 for sure. Here's the truth. Most businesses don't have a traffic problem. They have a maintenance problem. Your ad might still be live, but it's not learning anymore. Your automation might still be sending, but if it's not connecting, marketing isn't a one-time setup, right? It's a living system. And like any system, it needs updates, tuning, and care. That's why you hire people. You can do it yourself. Sure, absolutely. And if you're getting some traction, great. Keep doing that. Keep putting 70% of your marketing dollars into what's working. The other 30%, you might want to try some stuff. Amazon, Apple, Meta, they tweak their campaigns weekly. Okay, not because they're broken, but because they want them to stay sharp. Think of your marketing like your car. You don't buy it and expect it to run forever without maintenance. Your ad campaigns, your website, your automations are the same way. A small update, a better image, a refreshed headline, or a clear call to action can double your results sometimes. WordStream found that advertisers who A/B test regularly see 30% lift in conversions compared to those who set and forget. Small, steady improvements always outperform one big launch. If you want your marketing to keep working, check these things every month at the bare minimum. Your ad creative, your targeting, your landing pages, your automations, and your data. You don't need to rebuild everything every time. I'm not a believer in that, and I've seen it work myself. You can tweak, just review it and adjust what's slipping. They give you all the numbers that you need in both those platforms. This is what separates average marketers, by the way, from great ones. The best don't launch and walk away. They launch, learn, and improve. That's the mindset small business owners need today, because in a world that changes every week, what you ignore today becomes your problem tomorrow. Wouldn't you agree with that? Stop setting and forgetting. Start testing and improving. Small adjustments, simple check-ins, constant refinement. That's what wins in 2025 and beyond. Not perfection, but progress. I'm Max from Max Out Creative. If this made you think about something in a different way or reminded you of some things that you already know that you need to do, hit that like button, would you? Let's keep building smarter, not louder. Thanks.